Well, welcome to Model Mania Live. Today we are doing Model Mania from SolidWorks World 2013. This is actually the first one that I got up on stage and received the prize for third place. Now, I remember a couple things that I did in order to build this part. We'll see how I build it today. Maybe I'm going to build it the same way. Don't really remember. But I do already kind of know what's coming in Phase 2. But I don't think that's going to have an impact here when we take a look at this drawing. You know, we have a couple profiles. Essentially, we have one primary profile where we can lay all this out, and then we're going to use a multi-body technique to build this up. And then we're going to build those webs together to tie it all together, and then we will use fillets to round off those edges. So I don't know where I want my origin to be. It's not that it matters too much, but let's just do it there. We've got one horizontal there and there. I think with some of these sizes here, 40, well, we can draw out a couple more. It's 20. That's horizontal. We have vertical. No, we do have a position there. So from there, then let's sketch some of these out. Yeah, I can't do tangency like that, but I can do it like this. That pre-selection got me there. Oops, and we don't have tangency here. Let's see, I also want to see what I can do with offsetting these here. 3. Yeah, it seems some of these aren't doing the direction that I want. We'll just do that. Offset entities, reverse direction. And with that, let's boss extrude. Okay, so what do I want to do? Let's just start with this primary cylinder, and there is that small section down there. That is coming up 20. I think they're all coming up 20, right? So let's actually just grab all of those. Yeah, they all are. I don't think I want to do mid-plane here, so let's stick away from that for now. Now we can do this a couple ways, right? So what's the thickness there? 3? And we'll do these outside regions at 12. So I think that does it. Let's apply our fillets, which are 1.5 and there and there. We also have them here on these faces. Oh, you know what I did? I forgot the material, but I remembered now. plain carbon steel. So I think that's really good. Our time, okay, 4.5 minutes. So let's switch over to 2. So we're going to apply a load here on that one. We're going to fix the inside cylindrical face. Vertical load coming down. Okay, yeah, so here's where things get tricky. Essentially these bosses have moved, and same thing with the webbing. So we got to kind of do a little bit math in our head, and I remember just sitting there thinking, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? And I just plugged in numbers and I got it. Yeah, what's not called out here, blue dimensions represent changes. Is that right? So it's just that bottom one was offset? That's 20. From where? Ah, so that one's offset 4, that's 8. Okay. Alright, where do we want to start? Let's see. We're going to start with our bosses here, so let's just roll back. Oh yeah, I was using move body earlier. I've used move body before, because we could do a little bit of translation there. So translate, rotate. This one is going down 4 in the Z. Reverse. Let's see, move again. That body is going in the Z8. -8. But that doesn't seem right. That's 12 from the top, going down. So let's deselect that pro region there. I think that's the right dimension. It's offset from the top, 12, going down, yep. And that one is right there. So we then have these webs which appear to be the same. Going down from there, going up from there. Yep. Alright, so then we just have to worry about fillets. Fillets are tricky on this one. We're missing a face now, but let's just kind of see what we can do. Ah, and I know one of my coworkers mentioned this. There's this fillet back there that he missed. Oh, there's one right there too. So that side is looking good. Flip it over. I have it like this in the drawing. That's looking good. Alright, let's get into Simulation Express. What I didn't use much was the S key. I'm out of habit with that one. Add a fixture, we're fixing that hole. Add force to there. Selected direction. Top at 500. Down. Solving off screen. And we just need the factor of safety that we're going to put in. So yes. Factor of safety 2.98. Enter 2.98. Stop the timer. Awesome. Wow. Wow, okay, so for resellers, no, the first place person was customer. They had the shortest time, 8 minutes and 45 seconds. How did I do? What, 9 minutes and 10 seconds? So I beat the record time for the reseller at 9 minutes 23 seconds. But man, 8 minutes 45 seconds to do that. How could I have done that faster? Could have tried to use the S key to go faster there. I mean, I stayed away from trimming. We used contour selection. Maybe I thought about it too much. Was I talking too much? I don't think so. So thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and follow me along here this last week as we get ready for Model Mania at SolidWorks World 2017. And we'll see you on stage.